The following is the 6th grade lesson for February 27th. Okay. Bell work was take a copy of the prompt from the front desk, review Peel with your shoulder partner. Some reminders, your FSA test is tomorrow, alright, your writing test, so make sure you're getting some sleep tonight. In class, I showed you your schedule for tomorrow. I showed your testing location was shown to you in 7th period, or will be shown to you in 7th period. And your AR test is due tomorrow at midnight, okay? So, I handed back your FPMA number 3, your third essay. And here's what we did in class. I had you circle all forbidden words that you used, all questions you asked. I had you box your controlling idea, box your point sentences, and had you underline all your evidence that was properly cited. Gives you a good indication as to what you were doing well and what you were not doing well. Okay? Here's all the things that I noticed after grading all of those essays. Okay? If you do any of these, make sure that you're trying to fix those on the actual test. Okay? So, some notes. Make sure you're quoting the article and not the people. The interviewer and the writer of the article already did that. Remember, peel and use it. Introductions and conclusions need to be added to a lot of essays. Your paragraph should be separated. Some of you do what I call word vomit, which is bleh, everything's on the page, straight through. Separate them into paragraphs, okay? Overall, editing is definitely necessary. And here's why, okay? All of you received 3 numbers on your essay. And those are your points that you got for the rubric. You're aiming for 7. First 2 sections are out of 4 points, so 4 and 4 is 8. And the last 2 points are from the final section, which is grammar. Okay? This is the rubric that they're actually grading you on. So take a look at that real quick. Pause the screen, see what they're expecting. Okay? Now, in regards to editing, we've already talked about, you know what peel is, you know what tap and cub are. Here's the last one for editing, okay? When you're finishing your essay, go back and be sure you wrote a great essay, which is go back and check your grammar and punctuation, make sure you review to make sure the prompt, claim, and controlling idea, all of those match. Make sure your evidence is all cited, all your sources are used, and you're applying transitions, okay? Believe it or not, most of the problems that I noticed could be solved by asking yourself one question. So what? In other words, why is this important to mention? Okay? So you have your claim or controlling idea. Figure out your points. Alright, great. So you have your points. So what? Why are those the points that are going to be explained instead of other ones? Once you find your evidence, great, you find your evidence. So what? Why is that evidence the one you picked to prove your point? Why is that one so important? So that so what question, believe it or not, might be a saving grace for some of you. Okay? Test is tomorrow, so get a good night's sleep tonight. And best of luck. That concludes the lesson of the day.